In this video, I will show you how to insert text boxes and shapes in your worksheet. Suppose you are working on this worksheet and this is the commission report. You want to enter a text box here indicating the rep who has the highest sales. So in this scenario, we have seen that Robert has the highest sale, that is 97,650, and you want to enter a text box here. So for this, you have to go to the Insert tab, and in the text group, click the text box and press and hold your mouse. Then you will see the text box is there. So here you can write down that Robert has the highest sales. And these are called the sizing handles. To resize the text box, point to one of the 8 sizing handles. When the pointer changes shape to a white double-headed arrow like this, click and drag to resize the box. So I can make it bold so you can see easily. And with the help of this 4-headed arrow, you can move the position of your text box. Suppose if I want to set it here, so just sit here. Then suppose you want to enter also an arrow to show that Robert has the highest sale. So for this, you have to go to the Insert tab again, and in the Illustrations group, click Shape and then pick, suppose, this arrow and bring it here. Right, so arrow is there. Suppose now you want to change the width and color of the arrow. So right click on this circle and then the format shape. Open this and then here you can see the color. Make it red. Width of your arrow, suppose you want to make it 1.5, and arrow type, we are looking for this one, and arrow size, the biggest one, and then okay. So see, the arrow is also there. Now suppose you want to make some shape here as well, to give shape to 97,650 to make it more prominent. So again, go to the Insert, Shapes, what shape you are looking for. Suppose if I say this, so, and then you will notice that you cannot see the number. So again, go to the Format Shape and in this Fill color, click on No Fill. And then color, again we will make it red. Width, suppose this, close it and okay. So you will see here that Robert has the highest sale. This is the text box, an arrow indicating that Robert has the highest sale, but we make it more prominent to give some shape. So in this video, you have learned how to insert text boxes and shapes in the worksheet. I hope you have enjoyed my video and thanks for watching it.